In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Figma Preview is not opening not working on laptop or PC. If Figma's preview won't open or the app just refuses to load properly. The most reliable fix is to clear the desktop app's cache. I'll start with the fastest built-in reset, and then show you the manual method if the menus aren't accessible. These steps are for a Windows laptop or PC. First, try the built-in reset inside Figma. Open the Figma desktop app. At the top toolbar, click the small toggle arrow to open the main menu. From there, select Help. Then Troubleshooting, and choose Reset Figma and Restart. This option clears cached data and restarts the app in one go. It's quick, safe, and often resolves stuck previews, blank windows, or persistent loading spinners. After the reset, Figma may take a moment to rebuild its files, and you might be asked to sign in again. That's normal. If you can't reach the menus or the app is frozen, do a manual cache clear. Start by quitting Figma so no background processes. Keep files locked. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Find the Figma app in the list, right-click it and select End Task. This makes sure Figma is fully closed before you remove its cache. Next, open the Start menu and type, including the % signs. %app data %\Figma. Then press Enter. This takes you straight to Figma's cache and settings directory inside your user profile. In this folder, delete the desktop and desktop profile folders, along with the font cache and settings files you see there. These items store temporary data, preferences, and font information. They're safe to remove because Figma will recreate fresh versions the next time it starts. Be careful to stay inside the Figma folder and only delete the files and folders mentioned so you don't disturb unrelated app data. Once those items are removed, you are set. The next time you open Figma, it will rebuild a clean cache and reload with default settings, which typically resolves preview windows that won't open or screens that stay blank. If the app takes a little longer than usual to start up right after this, that's expected while it regenerates its files. Thanks for watching.